During the operation and use of the bonding machine, the disassembly of COF is very important, which is related to the success rate of COF bonding welding, and the raw utilization rate of disassembled COF. The following is an introduction to the COF disassembly process. The items we need are absolute ethanol, cotton swab, separation knife, and heat gun. Absolute alcohol is used to dissolve and soften the glue sealed around the LCD panel. Cotton swabs are used to apply absolute ethanol, and gently rub the sealant to accelerate softening and falling off. The separation knife is self-made. Here I use a small piece of PCB board to polish it into a knife shape with sandpaper. You can also use a wooden knife or a bamboo knife. Ordinary heat guns are fine, don't care whether it is straight wind or whirlwind. The only thing to pay attention to is that the size of the nozzle of the air gun is roughly the same as the width of the binding area of the COF. There is also the most important temperature control, in the range of 204 to 260, as well. This is a very important point for novices. Next, we start to disassemble. We generally disassemble the PCB side first for the COF on the X-axis. Use an air gun to evenly preheat the bonding area. After the preheating is complete, heat it from the end you are comfortable with. At the same time, use a knife to tentatively enter the bonding surface. Separation at a constant speed until the COF and PCB are completely separated. Next, let us disassemble the end of the COF connected to the LCD panel. The temperature of the air gun remains the same. We only need to heat the binding area 4 or 5 times back and forth, and then we can easily separate it by hand. There are several key points in the whole process. When the first air gun is heated, it needs to be tilted with a little angle outside the screen to prevent damage to the polarizer. Novices can use the method in the video to place a steel sheet, or stick a high-temperature tape to isolate it. In fact, don't worry too much, the tilt angle of the air gun can be easily separated by hand without damaging the polarizer after heating for 4 or 5 times. Finally, the disassembly of COF must be performed under uniform heating conditions within a reasonable temperature range. Thanks for watching.